In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit with Visa card on Pocket Option. Quick tutorial. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Pocket Option website. If you prefer, you can simply search for Pocket Option and open the official site. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the main dashboard after signing in so you can easily access the financial tools. On the home page, look for the Finance section. Click it to open your payment options. Next, select Deposit. This will take you to the page where you can choose how you want to fund your account. From the list of payment methods, choose Visa. Before you proceed, there's an important requirement. You need to verify your identity. Pocket Option requires full profile verification to use this payment method. If your account isn't verified yet, click Verify Your Profile. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. This usually includes confirming personal details and submitting identification documents. Take your time and make sure everything is clear and legible so it gets approved smoothly. Once your profile is verified, return to the deposit page and enter the amount you want to add. Keep in mind the minimum deposit amount is P1,170. If you enter less than the minimum, the system won't let you continue, so adjust accordingly. If you have a promo code, click the option that says I have a promo code, then type it in and apply it before moving forward. This is the best moment to use any bonuses or promotions you've received. You'll also see helpful information about timing. Deposits via Visa typically process in around 1 minute. That's an estimate, but it gives you a good expectation for how quickly the funds should appear in your balance. Now enter your card details. Carefully input the card number, expiration date, cardholder name, and security code, and make sure the billing information matches what your bank has on file. Accuracy here helps prevent declines or delays. When everything looks correct, click. Continue to pay to finish your deposit. You may briefly see a confirmation screen while the payment is processed. After that, your balance should update, usually within about a minute. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. That's it. You've successfully deposited with the Visa card on Pocket Option. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you need a quick refresher while you complete your deposit.